In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to start by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now click on this icon with a camera and the photo next to the plus one at the bottom left corner of chat window. Then you can click on your photos right away in order to add them. Click on Gallery section and select them from here. This time though, tap on Add at the top right corner. Or you can also click on Gallery, tap on Folders and hold one of your photos. I will go with this one. Last but not least, click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!